My name is Mehdi Mejawi. I'm the founder and chairman of the FOST Federation conferences. FOST conferences and all the conferences who are part of FOST, like apidays, GenerativeAI, GreenIO, Hack, and many others, we do them in 10 different countries every year. Our goal is really to accelerate serendipity between all the participants, all the topics, and create new synergies and new bonds between different people, different communities, or different companies together. We had awesome speakers from all over the world who were delivering the state-of-the-art content, and we also had great communities and community enablers who came, to listen, talk, and engage with each other, engage with the speakers to actually make the debate quite live and quite dynamic. So great attendees, great speakers, great sponsors. That was a blast. You can go on the website and check what are other conferences coming, in different countries like Singapore, Germany, Australia, India, USA, Canada, Finland, Netherlands, UK, and France, right, for next year. So of course, you can register to the newsletters. You can also apply to speak to the events, like the call for papers. We have a continuous call for papers, so never hesitate to apply. Even at the last minute, even a long time in advance, we read all the call for papers applications. If you are a female or if you know people who identify as a female and who want to join the community of peers who are able to coach each other, that's really inclusive about gender diversity, you can join the Women API initiative. I really want to thank our partners, our sponsors, and especially our other community organizers and conference organizers. Bringing communities together with other communities is something that really is meaningful for the whole ecosystem. And so I really want to thank them to have tried and to have been successful with us.